Today we're looking into something pretty fascinating, a summit happening in Dubai.
Yeah, a really big one, actually. The AI Revolution in Healthcare Summit.
AI revolution in healthcare. That's a mouthful.
It is, but you know what else? This isn't just some small event. This is like the biggest, the most anticipated AI-focused healthcare event in the entire Middle East for all of 2025.
Seriously.
Oh, yeah. And to add to that, it's 𝐂𝐞𝐥𝐸𝐸 certified. And you can actually score 13 CPD credit points from the Dubai Health Authority just by attending.
Okay, so this has like real weight behind it.
Absolutely.
So who's going to be there? Who are the big names?
Well, you're not going to believe this lineup. Okay. Dr. Jonathan Perlin.
From?
Joint Commission International. Big name.
Okay.
Then we got Dr. Sangita Reddy from Apollo Hospitals.
Another heavy hitter.
Oh, yeah. We've also got Dr. Mubaraka Ibrahim from Emirates Health Services. And get this, Kimberley Pierce, CEO of King's College Hospital London, the one in Dubai.
All right, so these are like top tier folks. Anyone else?
Oh, there's more. A lot more. Tom Navasero, Dr. Mohammed Abdelghani, Dr. Madhu Sasidhar, Dr. Preller Jacobus, Dr. Abdullah Halsawi, Professor Andre Decker.
Hold on.
Professor Balaraman Ravindran, Dr. Sandeep Wadhwa. I can keep going.
I believe you. That's a crazy list of speakers. Okay, so someone goes to the summit, right? What are they going to walk away with? Like, what can they learn?
Well, think of it this way. Imagine a future where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and way more accurately than we can now.
Okay, that's kind of a big deal, right?
It is a big deal. It's huge. It could completely change things. And not just diagnosis. What if treatment plans were personalized, like specifically to your genes?
This is wild. So, like, no more one-size-fits-all medicine.
Exactly. And it can go even further. Imagine AI making hospitals run smoother and more efficiently. Costs go down. Care gets better.
Okay, so this is more than just cool tech. This is like reshaping healthcare.
Yeah.
So how do they cover all of that?
Well, they'll have sessions on how to actually integrate AI into our existing systems. That's huge. And, you know, it wouldn't be complete without talking about the ethical side of things.
Yeah, that's got to be a whole can of worms.
It is. But it's essential to discuss. You know, it's not all just theory. They're bringing in actual leaders who've done this, people who have real-world experience with AI in healthcare.
To get to learn from the best.
Precisely. Plus, you're going to be surrounded by over 800 other people who are just as passionate about this stuff. Clinical leaders, people making decisions, innovators. It's a fantastic networking opportunity.
You'd walk away with like a whole new perspective.
Oh, for sure. And don't forget, you get those DHA CPD credit points, which, let's be real, that's a nice bonus for your career.
Yeah, not bad at all. So, to sum it up, this AI Revolution and Healthcare Summit is going down February 15th and 16th, 2025 at the Millennium Airport Hotel in Dubai.
So, as we wrap this up, let me ask you this. With all this AI stuff happening in healthcare, what are you personally most excited about? Like, what could change your life? Think about that. Let us know. We'll be back soon. Keep those brains buzzing.